Hi, and welcome to the Partnerships Phonics Programme. For this session, you'll need your phonics jotter book and a pencil. During the session, you will see these symbols. Pause is to tell you when to pause the video so that you can have a chance to do things on your own. You press play when you're ready to continue the recording. The read symbol is there to show you when it's your turn to read, and the write symbol is there to tell you when it's your turn to write. We're going to start the session by warming up, playing with sounds, and we're going to play with sounds excuse me, by blending and segmenting, and we're going to be using these 4 different types of food. So first of all, let's check we know what food we have. I say, you say, cheese, rice, peas, cake. Great. So I'm going to segment the sounds of one of these foods, and you are going to blend the sounds together to tell me which food it was. Here we go then. Ch, e, s. Correct. Cheese. Blend the sounds. R, I, s. Fantastic. Rice. Blend the sounds. P, e, s. That's right. Peas. Blend the sounds. A. Great. Cake. Now it's your turn. A star is going to appear on one of the foods. You need to say its name, then you need to segment the sounds and blend them together. Look out for the star. Segment. Blend. Brilliant. Let's do it together. Peas. P, e, s, peas. Look out for the star. Segment. Blend. Brilliant. Let's do it together. Cake. A, cake. Where's the star going next? Okay. Segment. Blend. Fantastic. Let's do it together. Cheese. Ch, e, s, cheese. Okay, last one. Segment. Blend. Brilliant. Now let's do it together. Rice. R, I, s. Rice. Fantastic. Now let's read the sounds we've already learnt. You know how to read each of these. Can you read them? Off you go. Brilliant. Now let's read them together. S, a. Great. Let's think about this session's focus sound. All of these objects begin with that sound. I say, you say. Pencil. Paint. Pirate. Parrot. Did you hear what sound they all started with? Yeah, that's right. They all started with the sound P. It's a very soft sound. Listen carefully. P. Can you say it that softly? P. Fantastic. Let's practice saying our focus sound. I say, you say. P, p, pencil. P, p, paint. P, p, pirate. P, p, parrot. Brilliant. Now let's see how the sound P is formed so we can read it. We can see we have our P, P, parrot. Can you say that? And if we start at the parrot's hair and go down its tail and back all around its body, we've written a letter. Let's look at that again. Starting at the parrot's hair, going down its tail, back up all the way around its body. And we've written the letter P, and it makes the sound P. What sound? What sound? Brilliant. P. And here it is written on a card. P. Can you read that? So we can read P, and we remember it with a parrot. Read the sound. Name the picture. That's right. P, parrot. Let's read our sound with our objects. P, pencil. P, paint. P, pirate. P, parrot. Now pause the video so that you can see if you can read those on your own. Press play when you've read them. Great reading. I hope you remembered. P is super soft. Let's read them together one more time. P, pencil. P, paint. P, pirate. P, parrot. Now we're going to try to read some words that use the sounds we've been learning. We have a word here, and we're going to see if we can look at the word, say the sounds, blend the sounds, read the word. So look at the word. Now let's say the sounds. A, p. Blend the sounds. Tap. Read the word. Tap. Let's try another one. Look at the word. Say the sounds. S, a, t. Blend. Sat. Read the word. Sat. Fantastic. Let's look at this word. Let's say the sounds. P, a, t. Pat. Read the word. Pat. Now pause the video and see if you can read these words by yourself. Press play when you're ready. Great. You've had a go at reading all three words. Let's read them together and see if you were correct. P, a, t. Pat. S, a, t. Sat. T, a, tap. Great reading. Let's learn how to form the letter P that makes the sound P. Remember, we have our parrot, and if we start at our parrot's hair and go down its tail and back up around its body, we write the sound P. Watch again. starting at the parrot's hair, go down its tail, back up and around its body to write P. Watching, down to the tail, back up, around the body, P. Down the tail, back up and around the body, P. Can you get your tracing finger and see if you can follow the letter formation as it appears on the screen? Don't forget to say P. 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 Now it's your turn to do your letter formation of P. Press pause. When you've written them, press play to continue. Great, you've written the sound P, and we know when we've been writing, we need to read it. Let's read our writing. P, 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 P. Can you read your writing? Fantastic. Now let's see if we can work out which objects here begin with our sound. P. I say, you say, pencil, igloo, parrot, pirate. There was one that didn't start with P. Which one was it? That's right, igloo. Now, let's see if we can write some labels for our pencil, parrot, and pirate. Press pause while you write your labels. Press play after you've finished. Great, you've written your labels. Let's check them. So remember, to form a P, we go down the parrot's tail, back up and around its body. P. 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 And we've done some writing, so we need to read our labels. Let's read them together. P. 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 Fantastic. Okay, now before we finish this session, we want to have a go at writing a label for this object. It's a tap. Can you say tap? Now, can we segment the sounds? A, p, tap. Let's do that again. A, p, tap. Can you now write the word? Press pause whilst you write it. Tap. Press play when you're ready. Great. You've written the label tap. Let's check. Let's sound out the sounds and write them as we sound them out. A, p, tap. Now let's read our word. Tap. Thank you for joining this session. Take care. We'll see you at the next session.